mask from 3Ducators. When first putting on this mask, you can see that it's definitely way more protective. It's a lot more comfortable, and of course the design is a lot different. It looks really cool. So here, if you take it apart, you can notice there's a filter inside of it that you can replace. I think that's very important when using this mask. Also, I just think that the look is a lot different and a lot cooler, something new, and something you don't have to re-buy every day. So this mask you could use for a long time. This is what I would consider the right mask to buy. Also, it's recommended from Whitecroft Heights Hospital and Northwell Health. So there's doctor recommendations supporting this mask.
I'm deeply grateful and thankful to all the people who have supported us in the past, fulfill our initiative and our campaign to help those in need, our frontline heroes. And now is the time to grow this, to help all the people around us globally. And there is nothing better than education, as you may already know. We want to be able to help each one of these individuals who do not have access to these resources so they can sit and build anything, anywhere, and anytime. And 3D printing is the technology that will change the future for better. So let's do this together. Let's help each other out, and let's help all the people possible in our purview so we can have a better future for them. Thank you. Take care.